Kommt mit mir auf eine Reise zu den Sternen. Okay, fangen wir an. In the year of 39, assembled here the volunteers. In the days when the lands were few, and the ship sailed out into the blue and sunny morn, the sweetest sight ever seen. And the night followed day, and the storytellers say that the soul brave souls inside, for many lonely days, sailed across the milky seas, never looked back, never feared, never cried. Don't you hear my call, though you're many years away? Don't you hear me calling you? Write your letters in the sand, for the day I take your hand, in the land that our grandchildren knew. In the year of 39 came a shipment from the blue. The volunteers came home that day, and they bring good news of a world so newly born, though their hearts so heavily weigh. For the earth is old and grey, little darling well away, but my love, this cannot be. Oh, so many years are gone, though I'm older but a year. Your mother's eyes, from your eyes, cry to me. Don't you hear my call, though you're many years away? Don't you hear me calling you? All the letters in the sand cannot hear me like your hand, for my life still ahead, pity me.